Welcome to our exploration of mastering herbs and their incredible health benefits. In this video, we'll delve into various herbs that have stood the test of time, revealing their roles in traditional medicine and how they continue to influence modern health practices. Whether you're seeking to boost your immune system or find relief from everyday ailments, understanding these herbs can empower you to take charge of your health in a holistic way. Let's embark on this herbal journey together. Herbal medicine has deep roots in ancient civilizations, with cultures like the Egyptians and Chinese utilizing herbs for healing thousands of years ago. These historical accounts not only showcase the diverse applications of herbs but also highlight the wisdom passed down through generations. Today, modern herbalism continues to be influenced by these rich traditions, blending ancient knowledge with contemporary research. By understanding the origins and evolution of herbal medicine, we can appreciate its enduring relevance in our quest for health and wellness. Let's dive into some of the most effective healing herbs that can enhance your health. First up is turmeric, known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, making it a fantastic addition to your diet for joint health and overall wellness. Next, we have ginger, a versatile herb that aids digestion and can help alleviate nausea, making it perfect for soothing upset stomachs. Lastly, echinacea is renowned for its immune-boosting abilities, often used to fend off colds and infections. By incorporating these herbs into your daily meals or teas, you can tap into their remarkable health benefits. Now that you're familiar with some healing herbs, let's discuss how to prepare and use herbal remedies safely. Teas are simple to make by steeping herbs in hot water, while tinctures involve soaking herbs in alcohol or vinegar for concentrated extracts. Poultices are made by crushing herbs and applying them directly to the skin for localized relief. It's crucial to pay attention to dosage and safety, as some herbs can interact with medications or cause side effects. Always source high-quality herbs from reputable suppliers to ensure maximum effectiveness. With these tips, you can confidently explore the world of herbal remedies. Start by trying simple recipes that feature healing herbs, like a turmeric-infused smoothie or ginger tea to kickstart your day. You can also sprinkle fresh herbs like basil or cilantro into salads and dishes for added flavor and health benefits. Don't hesitate to experiment with different herbs in your cooking and wellness practices. Discovering new flavors and benefits can be a fun journey. While herbs offer numerous health benefits, it's essential to understand the potential risks associated with their use. Always consult healthcare professionals before starting any herbal remedies, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. Additionally, take the time to research and educate yourself about the herbs you plan to use. Understanding their properties, benefits, and risks will empower you to make informed decisions. By being proactive, you can safely enjoy the advantages of herbal remedies in your wellness journey. We discussed popular healing herbs like turmeric, ginger, and echinacea, as well as practical ways to incorporate them into your daily life. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from herbal insights.